March was a crazy month, but April is setting up to give us some of the biggest opportunities in the stock market. And I want you to take advantage of it. So these are the 5 stocks that I'm going to buy in the month of April. First up, SoFi. I'm talking about the fintech stock that's about $15.38 right now. It went up to almost $30 this year. It's a very good long-term stock. They calling this the Amazon of fintech. Right now it's in competition with PayPal and Square and everything like that. But you think about the long-term growth aspects of this stock, we're talking about a great long-term stock that may go up to $100, $150. We're talking about maybe 15, 20 years from now. It's going to be a very good long-term stock, a growth stock that you should buy for your portfolio. And it's the stock that I'm buying in the month of April. Now, obviously, with everything that's going on with the credit craziness going on and war, some of these high growth stocks are getting hit. But you got to think about it. Buy them for long term. You're not buying them for this month. You're not buying them for the month of April. You're not buying them for the month of May. You're buying them forever. You're talking about 5, 10, 7, 15 years from now. This is going to be a great long-term stock. Do not fall for the traps. Try to buy. You just continue to buy dollar cost average into this SoFi stock. It's a very good long-term stock. They pay for loans, credit cards, banking. It's a fintech stock, and it's something I'm going to buy for the long term. Try to get to 100, maybe 125 shares, and keep in your portfolio until it goes up to about $100, $150. Then you go ahead and sell it. In the meantime, buy the stock for long term. Next up is Nike. Yes, Nike reported numbers last week, and their inventory is crazy. They're going to have to start selling their sneakers for a lot cheaper. It's just the bottom line. You think about it. Jordans are $220. Air Force Ones are $110, $120. Some of the Jordan Spizzies, the ones that have like all the shoes in one shoe, is like $140. Blazers are still almost $100. Cortez, $100-something. They're going to have to lower their prices. They got too much inventory because their prices are too expensive for the average consumer. But the stock is a very good long-term stock. They pay a dividend. Your stock has been hit. It's at $48, I think, right now. You're talking about over time, this stock may go over $200 because everybody's wearing Nikes. You're probably wearing Nikes right now. I know I got Nikes on. I got Nike right here. You know, think about the celebrity aspect of it. You think about the long-term effects when they talk about the Olympics. It's going to grow. Right now it's been hit because they think nobody's buying it and their inventory is just too crazy right now. But you think about the sneaker for a long time. Do you think that Nike stock is going to go down to zero? Do you think that nobody ever is going to wear Nike again? If you think that, then don't buy it. But if you know that Nike is going to be around for a long time, depending on, it doesn't matter what competition happens. Nike is a very good long-term stock. 7, 10, 15, 20 years from now, the stock is going to be a lot higher than it is today. Nike is going to be around forever. So it might be a good stock for you to buy in your portfolio along with SoFi. Very 2 good stocks so far. Now let's get to the third stock. Now I wish I got into the Monster drink stock back in the day. I didn't know anything about stocks at the time. But we have another opportunity. So number 3, we have Celsius, another energy drink, just like Monster. If you bought Monster stock a long time ago, if you bought it when it first came out, man, you made over like 20,000%. Like seriously, that stock has tripled, quadrupled to so much money. Right now, Celsius is sitting at, I think it's sitting at like $20-something right now, or maybe $30-something. But it has went all the way up to $60 and it's came back down and it's giving you a chance to buy the stock for long term. We're talking about Celsius energy drinks. If you go to a supermarket, you go to Costco, you go to Walmart, they got their own section for Celsius. The drink is good. It's a lot better than Monster, in my opinion, and a lot better than Red Bull. We're talking about flavors. And they also own the Alani energy drink, which a lot of females and younger population drink. It's a very good long-term stock. They don't pay a dividend, but it's a growth stock. Right now, it's sitting at $30, and it's brand new. The IPO came out a couple years ago. It's a brand new stock. So we're talking about maybe 10, 15 years from now, this stock is definitely going over $100, and it may even quadruple from here. So if I were you, it's something that you might want to take a look at, do your research. But these energy drinks, these drink type of stocks, they're very good growth stocks for long term. So I'm going to keep this one. I'm going to try to continue to buy it. And you might want to buy it in your portfolio. But it's the number 3 stock that I'm buying in the month of April for my portfolios. My number 4 stock centers around makeup. A lot of women wear makeup. Makeup is going to be around forever. I don't care how broke you are, how poor you are, women are going to wear makeup. It's one of those stocks that's always going to, those companies that's always going to be around forever. And I'm talking about ELF, ELF, the ELF stock. Very good long-term stock for growth. It was sitting at $100 something. It's going all the way down. It's something you want to take a look at, do your research. But you think about the makeup companies like Estee Lauder, Ultra Beauty. Some of these long-term stocks that's been around forever have went up to $300, $400, $500. This stock, ELF stock, is sitting at, I think it's at like $50, $70, something like that, something crazy. It's something you want to buy for long term. One day this stock is going to go bananas because women love it. It's a very cheap company. It's in all the stores. It's very affordable for a lot of women, and women love makeup. This is a very new type cosmetic business. It's very new when you compare it to like Estee Lauder and some of the older cosmetic stocks. But this is a very good long-term growth stock. Again, I'm giving you a growth stock. It doesn't pay dividends, but we're talking about growth over the years, something you want to look at. It may be a good long-term stock for your portfolio. And it's the number 4 stock that I'm buying for my portfolios in the month of April. Okay, number 5. The number 5 stock centers around software stocks. As you know, software stocks has gotten hit tremendously because of Claude and AI possibility taking over software, and maybe we don't need software. I don't believe it because I just don't think companies going to get rid of Microsoft, Salesforce, or ServiceNow because they're embedded into the businesses. Now, so number 5 stock that I'm going to buy for the month of April is Microsoft. I use Microsoft every single day at work. I'm constantly on Teams for my job, and I know you are as well. You may be writing Word documents. There's college kids writing papers right now, and they're writing on Word, right, for the most part. People using Excel spreadsheets. People doing PowerPoints. Some people using Copilot. They have the Azure cloud infrastructure that is massive. I don't think Microsoft is going anywhere, and it's embedded in most of our businesses. If anything, it's going to grow, and it may be one of the top AI companies in the future. So why would you want to stop buying Microsoft? It has gotten hit tremendously. This is one of the Mag 7 stocks. It's a great long-term AI technology infrastructure type stocks that's going to be there forever. Nothing's going to happen to Microsoft. It's not going to zero, and they pay a dividend. And it has gotten hit. It's down 24% this year. That means you can buy the stock right now, hold on to it, get the 24% that has been dropped all the way down, and get more. So why not buy this stock for long term? Do your research, search it. But if you're using it every day and you know what Microsoft does, do you think Microsoft is going to go down even further? Maybe, but is it going down to zero? No. Is it going to be worth more 5, 10 years from now than it is today? Absolutely. So think about it. Buy this stock and put it in your portfolio and keep it forever. It's the number 5 stock that I'm buying for my portfolios, and I think you should do the same thing. In the meantime, pay attention to your money, stay focused, continue to buy stocks every single time you get some money, keep adding to it, buy all dips, and keep it Econ 100, man. You already know.